Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today we are going to be making simple French toast recipe. This was so delicious and easy to put together, so let's get started. So all we need is our bread and eggs. I'm using 4 slices of bread and 3 eggs. You can use as many as you want. So the next is to crack in the eggs into the bowl, just the way I'm doing in this video. So after I'm done with the eggs, I will add in my milk. Then I will go in with some chili powder and some salt. And I'm going to beat this to combine. So once I'm done with the eggs, the next thing is to go in with a little vegetable oil into a clean pan and add a little bit of butter. I'm going to mix this together just like this, just the way I'm doing in this video. So after I'm done with it, I will bring out a slice of bread and dip it into the egg. So I will let the bread soak very well with the egg. Then I will transfer it into my fry pan. I'm going to do the same thing with the other slice. So I'm just going to dip it as well and transfer it into the fry pan. After putting it in the fry pan, I'm going to let this toast for about 2 minutes. Then I will flip it to the other side. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other slice. Then I'll allow the other side to toast for extra 2 minutes. Then I will take it off the heat. I'm going to be repeating the same process until we are done. Guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Lisa. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. So now that I'm done with the first batch, we are going to repeat the same process. Then I will allow this to toast for 2 minutes, and I will flip it all over again until they are nicely toasted and golden brown. Guys, this was so delicious, and as you can see, it's very easy to put together. You can eat this as your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This is so good. Okay. And guys, at this point we are done. Look at that. Look how yummy this French toast is looking. And I'm going to garnish this with some honey. Yes. And trust me guys, this was so yummy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and also drop me a comment. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.